Hello. This week we were all supposed to be at the Electric Vehicle Battery Technology Show in Novi, Michigan. Obviously that's not happening, so we thought we'd bring a little bit of the show to you. My name is Bruce Mullenbach, and I'm here to explain a little bit what you just saw in person at our booth. Usually conversations start when someone walks by our booth, they slow down, they take a peek in, and try to understand what we do. The real fact is we do a lot, and I'm here to explain what we do. Blue Ridge is a large, 100% employee-owned contract manufacturing facility based out of Minnesota. We specialize in complex metal fabrications, precision machining, painting, assembly, and complete supply chain management. Now, while we machine, we also machine in 3 to 5 axis machining. But we also specialize in simultaneously 5-axis freeform machining for those very highly complex geometry parts. With 300,000 square feet of manufacturing facility, we have more than enough room to take on multiple projects. With customers ranging from Fortune 500 to small OEMs growing, our 300 dedicated employee owners are here to provide outstanding service for your projects. If you're looking for a contract manufacturing company, and you're not sure that Blue Ridge is quite the fit, please check us out or let's talk. You can visit us at blueridge.com or give me a call. And have a great show, and we'll see you next year.